Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by clearing distractions and holding the deck. This sets your intention and resets energy. Once centered, shuffle while stating the question quietly, then cut the cards into 3 piles and recombine. This anchors outcome into the deck. Make sure to use your dominant hand to hold the final stack, because tactile memory links meaning to placement. Now deal the first card onto the palm card position. Treat this as the initial imprint, and read its image and keywords, allowed to anchor interpretation. Once done with the first card, continue dealing cards into a fixed sequence. Assign each position a clear role, past, present, future. Then name 1 to 3 keywords for each card to keep focus. You should verbalize contradictions. This helps you notice nuance. Make sure to check for reversed or overlapping symbols, because orientation changes tone. As you proceed, briefly glance at corresponding palm lines to corroborate themes. This creates a dual-language reading that deepens accuracy. You finish by weaving a coherent narrative. Link card sequence to palm lines and extract 3 clear takeaways: 1 insight, 1 warning, 1 action. Then give the querent a practical next step. Make it specific and achievable. If the reading feels muddled, stop, explain uncertainty, reshuffle with a tighter question, and perform a single clarifying draw. This troubleshooting move resets intent and usually resolves ambiguity. So use it whenever interpretations conflict or.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.